instantly hydrates and luminizes for an all-over fresh, healthy, naked skin glow. I personally love this product so much because of how lightweight it is. I also love that you can apply it to your skin and rub it in with your fingers. So that's what we're gonna do. It just melts into the skin. The most perfect glow and the most perfect base to start off this makeup look. Now we're gonna go into doing the brow makeup. We're gonna use L'Oreal Paris Brow Stylist Definer Mechanical Waterproof Eyebrow Pencil. This is going to help define and shape the brows. It's an ultra-fine, waterproof eyebrow pencil with a built-in spoolie for blending and defining. I like to start by using the spoolie end of the pencil to brush up my eyebrow hairs for the perfect application. And then I like to go in finely as I fill in my brows. This is one of my favorite pencils because of how easy it is to use. It gives you such control in application, and it allows for the most effortless and natural look. Use the spoolie interchangeably as you apply this so that it blends into your hairs. I like to do very small and tiny strokes because that's mimicking natural hair. And I like to do this all throughout my brow to get the perfect finished look. It's so helpful that this product has an ultra-fine tip so that you can really be precise about your application. All done. Next step is going to be concealer. I'm going in with the Infallible Up to 24-Hour Full Wear Concealer. The extra large applicator provides full coverage in just one stroke. A little goes a long way. I'm going to apply it in these areas to help brighten and lift the face and also conceal. This is one of my favorite concealers personally because of the consistency of the product and how well it covers. And the best part about it is its staying power. It can last up to 24 hours. I choose to go 1 to 2 shades lighter to really focus on highlighting and brightening my face. We're going to blend this out now. I love how effortlessly it blends into the skin as well, but it still allows that full coverage to take effect. I always feel so confident whenever I wear this concealer because I truly feel like it changes the way your makeup looks. Blend, 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 blend. I'm going to use the Infallible Up to 24 Hours Fresh Wear Blush. This is in the shade Fearless Coral, and it's so beautiful. Look at how bright and pigmented that shade is. It's transfer resistant, waterproof, sweat-proof, and heat-proof, and doesn't clog your pores. It applies so smoothly to the skin, gives you a healthy flush, and adds dimension to your complexion. Look at how beautiful that is. I'm also going to hit the bridge of my nose. It's just going to help add balance to the makeup look. I'm obsessed. Now we're going to add some mascara, and of course we have to use the L'Oreal Telescopic Original Washable Mascara. This formula enhances your natural lashes with intense length, up to 60% longer lashes. It uses a unique lash by lash separation, and that's what helps you to access the most beautiful and stunning lashes. Just look at the difference. Look at that volume. Look at that length. It's stunning. Suitable for sensitive eyes and contact lens wearers. And I love because of how precise this is. I don't get a lot of transfer underneath. If you don't have this mascara, you are missing out big time. Immediate confidence boost. Now it's time to really set this makeup look off by applying some lipstick. We're going to be using the L'Oreal Color Riche Satin Lipstick. I'm using the shade Worth It because I feel like it's just one of the most iconic L'Oreal shades. It goes really well with my skin tone, and I love how it enhances my natural lip color. This is a pigmented satin lipstick that comes in 52 shades, so it's a perfect shade for everyone. I love how moisturizing this feels on the lips as well. The formula is infused with argan oil and doesn't blend, smear, smudge, or feather. Always leaves such a beautiful finish. Love it. We're going to set this beautiful makeup look with the Infallible 3-second setting mist. It's an aerosol format that instantly dries. It's transfer and sweat resistant. It helps prevent your makeup from cracking, flaking, or caking throughout the day. So the hard work that we put into creating this look can stay put. And there you have it.